I think so. So it times. You just have to times the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it would be 2 over 21.
Yep. 2 over 21. Great. 2 markers. Okay, how do we do these, do you know?
Wait, which question?
We can start top left.
Okay. So would it be needs the common denominator? So the common denominator could be 40.
Yep.
And then the 2 would become 16.
Yep.
And the 3 would become 15.
Yep.
And then the answer would be 31 over 40.
That's it. Well done. Okay, how about this?
The frequency table. I think
I'm just making a note to myself.
she's correct.
Why is that? You must explain your answer.
Because one says 40 is smaller than M, and then M is smaller and equal to 50.
Alright. Which ones are more than 30 emails? Which groups?
The 6 and 9.
Yep. What is 6 and 9?
What, added together?
Uh-huh.
That is 15.
And that is out of a total of 51 teachers. So she is saying that is greater than a quarter. What is a quarter? As 15 over something.
A quarter. Does that be around 12?
So like 1 over 4 is the same as 15 over what?
15 over... 60.
Yeah. And so the smaller the denominator, the bigger the number. Yeah. So she is correct because 15 over 51 is greater than a quarter, because a quarter is equal to 15 over 60. So it is more than a quarter. Okay. Yes, with a reason. Yeah, okay. Okay, how would you do first one? And it's written a bit weird. It should be like that. Oops.
Okay, so do you have to put 28 over 1?
Yeah.
Then do you turn it around?
No. You could do top times top, bottoms and bottom.
Okay. So on top it would be 84.
Okay.
And on the bottom it would be 7.
And so what is 84 divided by 7?
12.
Yep. So that's £12. And the way you did 84 divided by 7 from the start, because multiplying and dividing are the same as each other, you could say 28 divided by 7 is 4, or 4 over 1. So you can simplify from the start. 3 times 4 is 12 over 1, 12. So you can either cancel down at the beginning or at the end. It's usually easier to do at the beginning. Makes the numbers smaller. Any questions about that?
Nope.
Okay. 3 markers. Okay, how do we do this?
Okay, so we need the common denominator, which will be 35.
Mm-hmm.
So then 4 would become 28.
Yeah.
And then 3 would become 15.
Okay.
And then you just add to the top.
Mm-hmm.
And that would be 43.
And so what's your final answer? Or what is... So, okay, so that's 3 and 43 over 35 in its simplest form.
Okay. And it needs to be a mixed number.
Yep.
Okay. So how many did it go? So would it become 4 and 8 over 35?
See, 4, 8 over 35. So this minus this is 8. Yeah, you're good. So there's lots of ways of doing this. From the start, if you wanted to, you could do 3 and 4/5 is the same as 3 times 5 plus 4 over 5. So that's 19 over 5. And so you can then change that into over 35 if you want. But yeah, your way worked. I'm happy. Any questions there?
No.
So these ones, I'll leave those. I might come back to them. Okay, multiplying. How would you do this?
So, mixed number and the simplest one. For multiplying, you don't need common denominators. So, you times the mixed numbers, like the 8 and the 1.
What I would do is change them into improper fractions.
Oh, okay.
And then just multiply as normal.
Okay. So 2 over 5 would become 7 over 5.
Yep.
And 3 over 1 would become 24 over 3.
It would be 8 times 3 plus 1.
Oh, okay. So it would be 25.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we need to times it. And then 25 times 7 is...
You could cancel first.
Cancel?
Yeah. So can you cancel anything down anyway?
Yeah.
Go on.
You can make 25 into 5 and 5 into 1.
Yeah.
I think that's the only one you can do.
Uh-huh.
So, and then you do 5 times 7, which is 35. And then 3 times 1, which is 7. I mean, 3.
That's it. They want the answer as a mixed number.
Mixed number. Okay. So... okay. How many 3's go into 30? So 3. So would it be 11?
Yep.
11 and 2/3.
Well done. 11 and 2/3. 11 and 2/3. That's it. So to multiply mixed numbers, it might be easiest to just change them into improper fractions and then change back. Yeah. Let's
Okay.
see. Algebra. All right. Let's try this.
Okay. So 20%. 20% of 120.
Mm-hmm.
That would, wait, it'll be easier than this. 1/3 is 30%, right?
Be like 33 and a third percent. You could just find a third without changing it into a percent.
Okay. So to find the third, do you divide by the top and then times by bottom?
Yep. Other way around, I think. Divide by bottom times by top.
Oh yeah, okay. So divided by 320 divided by 3 is 40. And then times by 1 is just 40.
Yep.
And then if you do 20%,
Mm-hmm.
20% of 120.
Mm-hmm.
Is 24.
Yep.
So if you do 24 out of 40, that's 64. So then the rest, so there is 65. So there was another 56 white
Yep.
bread.
So that is 56 white bread. Well done. Think you're good. 56. 3 marker. I'll leave this one. Okay. So we'll see if you know how to do this.
Okay. Give your answer the next number. Okay, so we'll turn them into improper fractions.
Mm-hmm.
So 1/3 would become 7/3.
Okay, yeah. Oops.
And 1/5 would become 6/5.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you times together, you get 42/50.
And is that simplest form?
In its simplest form. Would it be 2 2 and 12, 15.
Okay, so 2 and 12 over 15. And is that simplest form?
Yeah, it is.
12 over 15 can be simplified.
Oh, to that would be 4 over 5.
4 over 5. 2 and 4 over 5. 2 and 4 over 5. Well done. Yeah, so just watch out that it's fully simplified and make your life easy at this point. Hang on, let's write exactly like it was. At that point, you can cancel down 6 over 3 to 2 over 1. And so you get 14 over 5, and then you can just do from there. 5, 10, and 4, remainder 4. Any questions there?
Nope.
Let me see something for a sec. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, 4 markers. Alright, let's try this one.
Okay. So, 600 milliliters. Okay. One quarter of wallpaper remover. So it would it only is 700. So she's using this. If she's doing less water, does that mean we have to do more wallpaper remover?
There would be. If she was using more water, you'd need more wallpaper remover. So any idea how you go about this one?
So 4,500 milliliters of water is 6 times 750.
Okay.
So does that mean you need to divide a quarter of the wallpaper remover by 6 as well?
Yep.
Okay, so quarter of the wallpaper remover is 150. and 150 divided by 6 is 25.
Okay.
So I mean 25 milliliters.
I think so. I have the answer, but yeah, looks good. Let's see. Okay, we did one like this. I think you'll be okay. I think this is a calculator one. Do you have a calculator?
Yeah.
Let's try this one.
Okay. Calculator. Selena and they both singing about I don't even remember. 65%. How do you do this one?
You could find 65% of 80. So 65. You have yellow percentage sign over answer, so you could press shift answer for percent.
Okay. So that's 52 minutes.
So that one's 52.
So I put in 5/8% of 80 and I got half.
Not percent, it's just 5/8.
Okay. Oh, so she had, wait, that doesn't make sense. It's 80 minutes.
So what was the answer?
50.
Okay. So what's the question asking?
That's how many more minutes?
Yeah.
How many more minutes Selena sang than Zoe? So 2 more minutes?
I believe so. I think that they must have both been singing at the same time. It's a bit confusing, but yeah, two more minutes. Yeah, that's it. So they said you must show all your workings. Maybe I'll just try 52 minus 50. Great. Let's see. This one.
Mr. Brown and his two children are going to London by train. An adult ticket costs £24. Child ticket costs £12. Mr. Brown has a family rail card. Oh, okay. So he has two children.
Mm-hmm.
So without the family rail card, that would cost £24.
Mm-hmm.
So it means two children the same cost of one adult.
So they want the total cost of tickets when they use the family rail card.
Okay. So 1/3 off adult. 1/3 off, 60% off. So if I do 60% of 12.
Yep.
Then that would be how much I would have to pay, which is £7.20p. So two kids would be £14.40.
Yep.
And then if you do 1/3 of adult tickets, one third of adult tickets. An adult is 24.
Mm-hmm.
So an adult ticket costs £8.
Yeah.
So
it is not 1/3 of, it's 1/3 off. So like with the child's tickets.
oh, so you take £8 away.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So if you think
So it would be like 2/3 of 24.
oh, okay.
Hi, Amy.
So with an adult ticket costs £16.
Yeah, and actually we have to do the same thing for the children.
Okay. So take away £4.40. I mean £14.40.
Yeah.
So 14 minus 24. Okay. So that would be £9.60.
Mm-hmm.
And together, so altogether the cost is £25.60p.
That's £25.60p. That's great. Yep. Any questions there?
No.
Okay. Let's see, 200 counters. That one's going to be okay. All right, 5 marker. Let's try this.
See, that is organised me. What comes that to raise money for school and for hospital? 20 of the money is needed for some. Okay. So so would you have to times £23.50 by 1,000?
Yep. And I think I'll put this with ratio questions. I think it's more of a ratio question. I think I'll just leave that one. It's be more. Yeah, these are more ratios. Just make it. Let's see. So then we have these ones. These are okay. Yeah. So let's see. Is there any? Yeah. Okay. How would you do this one? Dividing fractions.
Dividing fractions, so keep lifting personnel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, keep lifting. So the division would become multiplication, and 3/5 would become 5/3, or 5 times, and then for the times the other one. I think we should turn the other one into, what is it called again? Improper fraction. So it would be 9/4.
Yeah.
So, and then it would become, then when you times it, it would be 45/12.
And can it be simplified?
Yeah, I can. No, I can't.
And can this part be simplified?
Yes.
How can you simplify it?
9 would become 3 and 3 would become 1.
Yeah.
So then now it would be 15 over 4.
That's it. And this one down here, so the way you divided them both by 3, if you divide both of these by 3, you would get the same thing. 15 over 4. What is that as a mixed number?
As a mixed number, that would be 3 and 3 3/4.
Yeah. Well done. Yeah, you're good for dividing, I think. Yeah, I think you're good there. I think you're good. So there was one type of fractions that I skipped. I could give it a go. You might not know it. Maybe I'll just do decimal first. Okay, how about this? How would you do this?
Proof
You might never have seen it before.
I do not know how to do this.
So, okay. So that's that one. 32 pages. This one 33 pages. I think they're the same thing. Let's take a look. A terminating decimal contains a finite number of digits, decimal places. So 0.75, 1.5, that type of thing. A recurring decimal contains a digit or block of digits that repeats. So it goes on forever. Okay, so these ones down here, is it recurring or terminating?
0.7 is terminating.
Yeah.
0.266 is recurring.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just point it there, will I? Okay.
0.18. Oh,
Yeah, go on.
0.18 is recurring. 2.34 is terminating.
Yeah.
0.045 is terminating.
Yeah.
1.242 is recurring.
Yeah. I think you're good for these. Let's move that there. Okay. 1/3 is this. So 0.3 recurring. Let's see, 2/11. Put it into your calculator, 2/11. What will that be as a decimal?
2/11. 0.1818181818.
Okay, so what would that be with recurring?
With recurring,
Like with the dot
um,
over it.
0.18.
So it'd be 0.18, 1 recurring, 8 recurring. So 0.1 recurring, 8 recurring. Okay, how about 4 over 15?
Okay. That is 0.2666666667.
So they just rounded it to 7. It's just like 6 forever.
Oh, okay.
So what would that be with a recurring?
Recurring. That would be 0.266 recurring.
Just 1 6 is needed. 0.26 recurring. Yeah, so the dot goes over the 6.
Okay.
And 8 over 13.
That is 0.6153846154.
Hang on. 8 over 13. 6153. Okay, and where would the recurring go for this one?
Six, 1, and 5.
So you see this 6 here. That repeats
Yeah.
again down here. 6153. Oh, I can see the 615. They rounded it to 4, but it will just go on forever. So you could put dots over all of these. Hang on. So it starts back again once you reach the 6 again. So you could put a dot on top of all of those. They used to put a line over all of them. These days you just need a dot over the first and last. And that means 615384 is just going to repeat over and over again. 0.615384, 615384, 615384.
Okay.
Any questions about any of that?
No.
Okay. Okay, these ones, what do you think?
The first one is 0.1 reoccurring, 2 and 3 reoccurring.
So what would that be if you wrote it out the long way instead of the short way?
0.11 2 3 3.
It would be 0. So it's these 3 recurring, and so it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 forever.
Okay.
So how about next one?
Next one. It would go 0.123 1 2 wait no 2 is 2 3 4.
There's no 4.
Oh,
So for this one, the 2 and the 3 recur, but the 1 doesn't. So that's 1, and then it's 2 3 2 3 2 3 forever. And how about last one?
it would go 0.123 2.
No, 2 doesn't recur.
1,
1 doesn't
Two.
recur.
3.
Yeah.
So it's 3, 3, 3.
Yes, well done. So the 3 will recur. So you have 0.123, 0.123, 0.123, but different ones are recurring. For the first one, all 3 recur. For the second one, only the last 2 recur. And for the third one, only the last digit recurs. Any questions about that?
No.
Okay, so we did it forwards and we did it backwards. Went from long way into short way into long. Okay. And some multiple choice. Which is correct? A, B, or C?
Which is... So 2 and 3. Okay. Is it C?
Correct. And second one.
Is it B?
Yep. Very good. Convert this to a fraction. Do you know how you do this?
I know how to do it with a calculator.
Try it with a calculator.
I would become 7 over 10.
That's
Oh, wait.
0.7.
How do you do the reoccurring?
So 0.7 is 7 over 10. 0.7 recurring, we'll just start easy, is 7 over 9. So that one is 7 over 10, this is 7 over 9. And we'll come to where it comes from in a second. Yeah, we could do all this.
Each one was a fraction. So the first one would be 4 over 9.
Yeah. Any idea how to do question 2? Or what it would be?
Would that be 43 over but when it's recurring, how do you do it?
So it'll be 215, and instead of over 1,000, it'll be over 999. So 3 digits, 3 nines. Let's see. What would be this one?
4 over 9.
So this is 4 over 9. Yeah. So what would be 0.8 recurring?
8 over 9.
So that is 8 over 9. Sure. Yes. So the quick way is 1 digit recurring, it's over 9. 2 digits recurring, 99. 3 digits recurring, 3 nines.
Okay.
So what? Yeah. Okay. So what will these be?
So the first one would be 7 over 9, and then 43 over 99, then 21 over 99, and then 561 over 999.
Yeah, and don't forget the 2. So it's like mixed fraction. Let us see. Hang on. So we have these questions down here. I think that's gonna be fine, or maybe let's leave that. Sure. Sure. And yeah, so maybe we'll do this. We'll do something interesting actually. What is 0.9 recurring?
1.
Yes, so that's like 9 over 9, that's 1. So believe it or not, 0.999 going on forever is equal to 1. Yeah, how was that for you, Carlos?
Was good.
And we can finish recurring decimals next time, or we can do something else. Do you have any preference?
Can we finish it?
Okay. Any questions for me in general?
No.
Alright, well done, Carlos. You did great. I look forward to talking to you again next week.
Me too.
Thank you. Have a nice week. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.